What's going on, y'all? Midget on the way. Beetlejuice been over there tearing up her car.
Hammer down, hammer down.
Put her some nitrous on, and more than anything, look at there, got a shifter. She ain't gonna know how to act. Put a Beetlejuice.
She couldn't even drive.
She was leaning. Hey, when she would drive, she'd be like this. Look, when she would drive, she'd be over shifting like this. You can see her head. All you can see her reaching.
Oh, trust me, I don't know how she drove it at all. Even whenever I got in it, I'm like, how can you steer it and get to the shifter with it way down there on the floor with this big old bench seat in it?
He got a contraption going there, y'all. Look, he can do it. I know who to bring it to. See, he's short, so he know how it feels.
yeah, I know that. If I can do it, sure, she can do it.
I think it's her, y'all. She's just getting there. Let's check her out. That's her. Big head. You know how you had trouble with your legs? All your cars are, your legs are too long and you. Hey, you know what Brian said? Brian said, man, how has she been driving this car? He said, I'm short. He said, that's what I told him. I just told him that. I just told him that. What's going on, Trey? What's going on, Ricky? Well, break it down. Let me explain.
All right.
Start. You know how I was getting oil. Okay. Explain what
Well,
you
you know, we put a little breather tank on there because that oil was blowing out on those headers or whatever. So I just put your little breather tank on there.
And so
we got you a little shot of gas. Got a little NX kit put on there.
So you just dump this every?
Yeah, just, you know, it's got a little drain in it, so just every now and then check it, make sure it ain't got, you know, because it's going to pull condensation, stuff like that out of the motor, so that's just going to be good. And I got something else, check this out.
Hold on, explain to about 2 by 6.
Huh?
2 by 6,
Okay,
2 by 4.
So what happened is, your car does have 2 by 6 but we can make change that later. Well,
Yeah, for us, from Memphis.
We didn't have, that's right. Look, we didn't have a choice.
Okay.
The butterflies was touching our nitrous here. So I called my buddy Bruce. I said, Bruce, I know you the master carpenter.
What's going on, LP? What's going on, Travis?
You gotta build me something, man. So Bruce,
Gosh.
you know, he's a good carpenter, so he whittled down the wood.
He's a good carpenter.
He's a good carpenter, so we got carpenter working on that stuff.
Okay.
So anyway, we built that so that all of our clearance works out good and all that kind of good stuff. So
is it good now?
yeah, it's good to go. Now check this out. You might be wondering, what's that little thing right there sticking out? Well, you know, I don't want to mess your hood up, and I don't want to do all that, so look what we're going to do. Yeah, we got to close that hood. You're going to purge it right out the front.
Oh, okay, so that's my purpose.
That's your purge, so you just, I didn't want to cut the car's too nice. I didn't want to cut a hole and send it through there and all that kind of mess. So
And if you get where you can't breathe, go out there and stick your mouth over and push the button. What's going on? Kelly. What's up, Brad? Brandon.
So that's going to work out pretty good.
But
Got that.
and now show her the back. Show her what you did to the back.
Chicken stick right here. Okay, yeah, we did a little something else.
Painted black back there.
Boss man had a suggestion. I said, let's do it.
Okay.
Rattle can.
Come on, look at it. Check it out right there.
Oh,
Painted that black.
Yeah. You know, that was, it's so crazy, just that little bit, you know, it being blue, it was like, that's a lot. But doing that right there, it made it all tie together.
That's right. That's right. Because it's
Crazy
you know, with
a
the
little
black
bit.
hood, with the black
Yeah.
tail panel, so that made it good. But here's what you're gonna be excited about. Come on,
Okay.
check this out.
Bud part.
Yeah, this is fit for you.
Midget style.
Because I got it close to me, so I'm gonna be perfect for you. So crawl in
What's
there,
up,
right
Terry?
there, see what you think.
Look
It's
here.
pretty good, but you know what? It gets better.
Okay, I'll
Check this out.
But look here,
Hey, I wanna
midget,
feel
you're
like
missing
this.
it. You know how your gear shifter was way down here on the floor?
Yeah.
Look at the thing he put on it. Built that thing on it right there, that stand.
Wow.
See how it's all the way up? You ain't got to do no leaning. Look.
So now it's right there. You can.
That is neat. I didn't know you could do anything like that.
Yeah.
And it goes, like the seat goes.
Everything.
That's right. I got it where the seat to go under it. That way to get it up there close to you, and you can, you know, just work your shifter.
That's gonna be
It's midget proof.
so much better. Cause I'm gonna tell you the truth. It was
What's
hard.
going on, David? What's
You
going
know?
on, Michael?
Man.
DJ.
That is, I mean, cause you won't believe
Uh-oh,
what I look
Dan,
like
look.
out there.
Now look here.
What is it?
See, you ain't got no nitro switches nowhere. Then you get to your calendar. Look there. Bam.
Well.
There's your nitro switches.
I hit him on the calendar there. That way, you know.
Got a few
There's your nitrous switch. Just flip your calendar up.
Yeah.
So what?
All right, so the first button's just a purge. It's just a little purge button.
Yeah.
The second one's just
understand
going to
that.
arm it. The third switch, remember this. If the switch is up, that means when you foot brake it, the micro switch will turn the nitrous on. If you flip it down, that means you've got the ability to use the button and spray it anytime during the run. The micro switch will not turn the nitrous on.
This ain't your line lock like in the heifer now. This is your, that's your nitrous button.
So
but if you, like you understand what he's saying? Explain it to her again.
Yep, so if you flip that switch over, up. All right, up means out there.
Full force.
Full force. When you foot brake it and you go to the floor, the nitrous is coming on and away you go.
Okay.
But let's say the road's not good enough to handle that.
Right.
And you're like, I don't need that, I just want to run on motor. But I might need to get out of jail. So
Okay.
you flip that switch down. So now when you foot brake and you tear out, you're going through the shifts and everything, and then all of a sudden you need more, you hit that button.
Hit that
on
button
top,
right here.
And the nitrous comes on.
You know, your shifter's reverse. You know, you start off in low, instead of, you know, pushing it, going up like you know everybody else will, yours down, it's reverse.
Yeah.
Shit, now, do it, same thing. Okay, now,
So
you get in low.
Right there.
You're in low.
that is or neutral?
One more.
I think
one
that's
more.
neutral.
Yep.
All right.
Right.
Okay. Oh.
Yep, right there.
All right, now,
Okay. Yeah.
now,
So one.
You'll snatch it. No, just you snatch it without the lever.
bam.
Yeah, you gotta remember.
Yeah.
On this one, you snatch without the lever and with the lever.
You know, 'cause
Okay.
There you go. So you're,
without it and then with it.
that's right.
right, later on we'll get some money, that little extra money, we'll buy a good shifter, but I'm saying ain't no sense of messing with
Right.
it.
So I just like
That's all you
that.
gotta
See
do.
it?
That's all you gotta
Okay.
do.
And this, okay. So this, when you push it down, that's my,
Nitrous.
okay.
Remember, down is in the car button, out is out there in the hood.
Okay.
Up is out there under the hood button.
Then it's already set, your AEM channel, this picks up good over here. If you're in Memphis, you use this one. If you're somewhere, like say you come to Arkansas, then push that one, that's Arkansas channel.
Okay.
Then when you're in Las Vegas, that's the Las Vegas AEM
So
channel.
we got different channels.
Brian, well you left me on that, throw me out the job.
I got that tuned up that antenna.
Yeah.
But at least now you can fit that, you can drive that.
Right here, your axles, look, see how the axle was twisted? Look,
So these are axles out
these,
of my car?
This is
yours
what
had
come out of it.
30, wasn't it?
They're 30 spline and I put 35s in it.
God, it was just a matter of time for them.
Yeah. So we
Man.
put 35
So
splines,
the 35s, they won't do that.
should be good.
No, that's
And then, now, you had a 410 gear in here.
Okay.
We put a 456 in there because you was running low in second.
the whole way.
Yeah,
through.
I could run the whole thing in second.
Right, so now you'll be able to get and drive.
Oh, yeah. That's gonna help because like I said, when I shifted out of second to third, it was just, you know, I mean, it just got lazy.
And then we ordered a little jack leg box. Like everybody, most people's got grids and all that big electronics and they're nice. But you already had this little box and he ordered it. He done hid it somewhere. He got it hid. Look at it.
Yeah. I don't see it. I will let something-
We got a little something in there where you can get in there and do a little adjustment or pull timing if you have to. We just ordered a little extra box. It didn't cost near as much and we can, if we have to.
Y'all got hidden artifacts.
Yeah.
Crank it up, see if it'll crank. Whirl it over and then hit the ignition on the E85 so it don't. What's going on, Scotty? What's up, Jim?
Is the power on?
What's going on, Floyd? Much respect to you guys. What's up, Mark Michael?
While you're wheeling it. Back up. There you go, wheel it over.
Oh, blaster coil. Go ahead. You're doing good. Yeah. Gotta put a neutral switch on it. She likes that. Look at her. That wasn't nothing you done? Come here, look. This while ago we was messing with it when we was working on it. And
The micro switch wasn't, I had to bend it a little bit, so we had a lot of fuel dumped in it from you throttling it.
so don't think it was nothing you was doing. the micro switch wasn't making quite, so we bent it, dope, you know, and we was messing with it, making sure, so it won't do like that again on you. This is called a redneck vacuum pump.
Yeah. That's a street pump.
Well, you're good. I think it's.
I'm excited, thank you. That seat made the world's difference. Because I'm telling you, getting in that seat before, it was.
Yeah, I don't know how you
I mean, I was literally, you know, throwing it, you know, I was having to spin.
When she was racing, I literally looked at her and I couldn't see but the top of her head. She was like,
She's over there.
she was holding the steering wheel with one hand and she was shifting it with it, and I said, "Man, we gotta do something about that."
I'm gonna tell you, you know, a normal person wouldn't be able to drive this car like she did. She's so used to driving something faster. This thing here,
she can handle it.
It's lazy to her, so she can lay over on the floor and play with the shifter. But you don't need to be having to do that. You need to be keeping your eye on the other driver, you know, and that kind of thing.
Right,
And
absolutely.
Be able to focus and race it, even though it ain't as fast as a heavy car or whatever else it is.
Right. Yeah.
So.
Now it's fun because it's like it's all over the road. You know what I'm saying? You get those tube chassis cars and all them different cars. It's just zip. You don't have to shift gears. You don't have to do nothing. Everything. And so you know they're not real cars. Versus this thing.
I feel like I'm driving for a minute.
And everybody asks me like, why I run wheels you all the time.
Right.
Well, it's the same thing, you know. I mean, you gotta shift it, you gotta drive it. It's kind of crazy acting, you know what I mean? But it's fun.
As far as that, you know, everything's good.
Right. So when can we go get it?
We just need 4 nights,
All right, y'all. I'm gonna jump off here. Much love. I'm holler at y'all real quick. Few of y'all. What's going on? Edward, Virgil, Chris Elliott. What's going on? Kevin Cardoza. What kind of carburetor? Normally I run a lot of Gary Williams, but this car had a Pro System, which I like Pro System also. They're great. This is an E85. It's an E85 Pro System, and man, that thing works good. It's very responsive. I ain't had a drop problem with it. Works really good. You know, great carburetor. Hey, what kind of jets? What kind of nitrous? We might need to change that. How much? Be honest. How much? 150? 62.
On that deal.
Right. So, and how much time in?
Well, it's 7 to start with.
Right.
I mean, that may be too much for that deal, but we just.
But it could just use it to calm it down.
Huh?
To calm it down. Right. What's going on, Bobby? Ohio. Brent. What's going on, Tony Yeager? They said they put you in retirement. That's what the word of the street is. What's going on, Terry Russell? What's going on, Chuck Wilkerson? She won't work on it. Look at it. She ready to work on that. What's going on, Dan Smith, Findlay, Ohio. Wayne Boyd, William Brooks, Roy Scott. All right, we're going to jump off here, y'all. Much love.